going on, YouTube? I'm back with another one, man. Another unboxing, man. A little beard kit. I ain't gonna lie, at first I wasn't even gonna record, man, but I'm like, skip it, I might as well turn on the camera. Record this junk. Oh yeah, y'all see it. I got the locks braided finally, man. Let me know if y'all want a tutorial on that. Beard ain't looking too good right now, though. Got my little brush right here, though, that's right. But no. It's cool, though. I'm gonna do you one better. So guess what this is? I was already opening it, but I ain't opening all the way. I just slid it, and then I was like, nah, let me put this on the channel. So that's what I'm gonna do. So go on. And it's actually kind of small. I thought the box would be bigger than this. See if y'all can see it. Get my face out the camera. Sit upside down. Oh yeah. Grow a beard. So yeah, I got this from Amazon, as you can see. Wait till the back for you. Yeah, so I got this from Amazon too. You feel me? Yes, sir. Got that Prime, man. That's why these packages keep coming in, man. I got that Prime. But yeah, let me go ahead. Unbox this. Hey, and another thing, I don't know if y'all noticed, but it's a different engagement ring. This is the original one I had. Let me see. You can see it. It's the original one I had, though, man. I switched back to it, but me and my girl, wait till it focus. Yeah, me and my girl, we got new sets coming in, like matching. Like, cause it's a long story, love story, man. I tried to basically stretch out her ring, and the stones came out and everything, so we just got rid of it. But yeah, I finally got this unwrapped. So let me open this box. Come on now, why they gotta make it so complicated? Am I opening it the wrong way? No, where's it? Alright, slide this tab up. There we go. Let's get it. Alright, so it comes with this little bag. Little traveling bag, I guess. There's some sponge in it too. So, if y'all wondering what's this, you know what this is that I got, y'all probably already know from the title. Yeah, of course, y'all already know from the title. Let's see. I ain't gonna lie, I thought I was gonna have more products than this. But yeah. Got me a hardwood beard comb, yo, you feel me? With the brush though, with the bristles. Alright y'all, so I'm back. I don't know what happened, my camera just stopped recording for some reason. But yeah, let me go ahead and open this up, man. Come on, man, get out. Oh shoot. Okay, so it comes with some scissors too. I guess that's for like trimming and junk. I won't be doing that. But yeah, look at this brush, man. Get over my face. Look at this brush. This boy is sweet, man. I'm not even gonna lie. I'm really feeling this comb. It comes with this free ebook and how to use the beard kit video. Yeah. I ain't gonna lie, I don't care about that. Sorry if y'all hear my son in the background acting up, man, a little bad, but let me test this brush out. Oh, that feel good. I'm never even going from it. That feel good. I'm probably gonna be using this until my beard get longer. Cause yeah, cause my beard ain't even that long for real to be using the comb. So I'm gonna see how it is. Oh, I feel it grabbing. Look, this the small side of it. And then you know the thick side on the other side. Yeah. You got a little engraving on that too. Yeah. Little beard comb on the brush. Little something for it. Yeah, for sure, I gotta wait till my beard get longer. It might look thick, y'all, but it ain't. Pause. But yeah. What y'all think, man? Look, let me try with some of this beard oil. I mean this beard balm. Let me try some of this beard balm on real quick with it. Then brush it. See if I can soften it up a little bit. I got like a real rough texture in here. I don't know, probably need to soften it. Come on, get it in there. Ooh, I probably put too much. So it'd be different when you wet your beard or like you got done shampooing and conditioning. You know what I'm saying? But it'd be different then. Then the beard would be way more softer. Be easier, you know what I'm saying? Just brush through. But yeah, I ain't do all that, so you should understand. Let's try. See how I look now. Oh yeah, okay. It's a little different. Let's see what y'all think. Try this side, look at it. Like I said, excuse my bad little son in the background making all that noise. Yeah, I need to touch up, man. Next video, I'm for sure gonna be doing the trimming. And if y'all wondering, I did not brush over my lips either. I went, feel me, hit the mustache up. Nah, you ain't supposed to mix it with your hair. I don't know, just let me know what y'all think. Do you brush your hair and your beard, your facial hair with the same brush? Like, I don't know. I feel like it's a little unsanitary. But yeah, then put it back up. You know what I'm saying? You can keep this in your glove department or something, you know, glove box, armrest in the car. Just on, you know what I'm saying, for to-go purposes. Put it back in the bag. You're good. So yeah, man. Grow a beard, professional beard tools, all natural and organic. I recommend y'all, you know what I'm saying, go check this out. You feel me? If y'all need you a nice brush, cause you know the plastic brush, they say leave split ends in your beard or something like. I mean, not brush, but the comb. Plastic combs should be leaving split ends in your beard and all that they be saying. Say you ain't supposed to use that cause it's too flimsy. You know what I'm saying? It'd be snagging your hair out. So get you a wooden comb. That's what I got. So yeah, man. Just a quick little unboxing, man. Y'all go ahead, smash the like button. Leave a comment below, and you know what I'm saying, subscribe to the channel if y'all are rocking with these beard growth videos. Yep, I'm out. Time to go edit. Get you one of these. Get you one of these. Y'all ain't see the unboxing for this MacBook Air. Make sure you go watch that on my channel, man. I put it up here, right there. So yeah, go watch that. All right, I'm gone, y'all. Make sure you subscribe. Oh, so you thought I wasn't gonna get my full 10 minutes worth of video, huh? You got another thing coming, man. Hey, look, get this close up on this beard real quick, man. Look at it. Hey, it's coming in thick right there. I'm gonna do a Derma roller video, y'all. I really think it's because of my Derma roller. That's how my junk coming in thick like that. Especially down here, bro. My hair never grew like that down there. Not this far back or nothing, y'all. So yeah, I'm gonna drop a video on that too. Shoot. Hey, check me out, man. Not gonna lie. What I lie you for, boy? So, but yeah, I'm gonna drop a video on that for sure, man. I wish it was some more stuff I could actually talk about. I know y'all already know about the hair growth oil. Y'all know about the Biotin pills and stuff. If y'all been watching my videos, you know. And it's another thing too I want to touch on. So a lot of people say they use Jamaican castor oil right here. It's still on my face. Yeah, Jamaican castor oil. They say they be using that on their beard. So yeah, I'm just not finding out about that. I actually use it on my dreads, on my dreadlocks. So, well, I know I ain't supposed to call it dreads, supposed to call it locks, but that's what I use it on, man. So, I don't know. Let me know if y'all do that. Let me know. I might try it out. If y'all recommend that, let me know. But yeah, all right, I'm done this time for sure. I beat it. Smash the like button, drop a comment, and subscribe to the channel. I gone.